do well to subscribe and like, and also share this content to people whom it might be of great importance to. This is how to do demo trading in Bybit. You don't necessarily need to have the money to start trading in Bybit. With the little capital, the demo trading capital, you can do almost anything every other person can do while trading. The only difference is that you cannot withdraw the money from your Bybit account. So when you come to your home page, this is the home page here. You can see your home page here. When you click on your home page, you come up here, you are going to see demo trading. I hope you can all see it here, demo trading. Okay, click on the demo trading. Once you click on the demo trading, it's going to open for you. Now on this demo trading, this is my own demo trading. When you enter the demo trading, when you want to leave, you go up here, go to start live trading. It will go out of the demo trading and now take you to the live trading. So this is the spot, this is the spot, and this is the derivative. Derivative is also futures, where you can double your money and also lose your money, where you can do leverage, long, short, and all that, for those who know what it's all about and how to go about it. So you can use this demo trading and this demo funds to learn spot trading or futures, or to practice with some signals. So some people will send you signals and say, our signal is 100% legit, this and that. Don't trade with your real capital. Use this demo trading to test the person's signal. If maybe they send you 10 signals, trade those 10 signals. Don't be in a hurry to make money here, because if you're in a hurry to make money in crypto, you're going to actually be in a hurry to lose those money, or you're going to end up waiting for long to make that profit you're in a rush to make. Waiting is the part of the business. Your ability to be patient and to wait is what gives you the result you desire. So if you're in a rush to take profits, if you're in a rush to jump into a trade, you can actually end up losing good opportunities, or getting your hands burnt, losing your funds. Depending on where you're trading, it's a bit difficult to lose in spots, lose your funds completely in spots, but it's very easy to lose your funds completely in derivative futures if you're not careful. So this is it here. When you come to assets, click on assets. I have clicked on assets. You will see the money that has been given to me, my demo funds. I have 50,000 USDC, and I have 1 Ethereum, which is about 3,100, and I have another 50,100 USDT here. You can see the two of them. This is where my money is. So now if you come to here, the same way demo trading works, the same way real trading works. Everything you can do on demo trading, you can do it on real trade. You can come to adjust demo funds here and change some things, add the funds in case your money has dropped, or increase the funds, whichever one you want to do. But I would like to leave it like this. Let's click on here. Look at hide zero balance. When you click on hide zero balance, it's going to hide all the other coins that don't have any money in them. All right, good. Now, oh my god, so now, sorry about that, someone called. Now you're going to this USDT, I have 50,100, and I don't really want to use 50,100 to trade. Let's assume you want to trade with $100. Convert all this 50,100 to maybe Ethereum or any other coin that you might just want to leave it there, so that you can use $100 and practice. Because 50,100 is a lot of money. You wouldn't want to use that to practice. Let's say you want to use 50. Convert all this whole money to maybe USDC or Ethereum or any other coin. Trade them like that, then use just that particular amount you want to use to trade. Let's say your airdrop pays you, or you can afford to buy $50 or $100 and start trading with it. Go to your demo account and test it. So let's use $100 for example. I have 50,100. I'm going to convert 50,000 to USDC and leave the rest as USDT, so that I'll focus on using only USDT to trade. Now what am I going to do here? I'm looking for options here. Okay, let me see if it has convert option here. It's not here. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead to trade it with just the options that are available here, USDT, and okay, let's go to Ethereum. I'm going to buy. Let's when you come up here, I just clicked on Ethereum, and you can see spot and futures. And spot I want to trade, not futures, so I'll click on spot up here. Whenever you see long, short, just know that it is what? Futures. We are going to be trading spot. So I'm going to, this is X. to change the coin I'm trading on, I'll come up here and click this place. They wrote x/USDT. This is X Empire coin. All right, let me change this X Empire coin to USDC. So USDT/USDC. Oh, that option is not available. Okay, let's say ETH. USDT/ETH. I'm not seeing USDT ETH option also. Okay, it's supposed to be the other way around. /USDC. Sorry, the video might be a bit long. Just take your time to go through everything. USDC. Okay, so this is it. I will better convert everything to USDC. They are all USDT and USDC are almost the same thing. It's just the same stable coin. So I'm going to be buying 50,000. Yes, 50,000 USDC. Buy. I just typed the quantity here, then click on buy. It's already done. When you come back to assets here, you see, oh my god, somebody's calling again. So now I have $100, as you can see, in USDT. Look at it here now. While I've moved the whole 100,000 and 3,000 to USDC and Ethereum. So I'm going to be using USDT now to trade. So if you want to trade, you come down here. Every other thing you can do it as normal. Trade. So I'm going to click on trade. Then what else? I'm on spot, as you can see up here, and this is futures. I'm going to trade spot and futures at the same time, so you all see how it goes. I will want to trade which coin. Let me trade a high volatile coin. I'll click here and search for a good coin. I've clicked on it. It has opened different environments. Here is favorite. You can add some coins you want to focus on your favorite. How to do that is not difficult. Click on favorite. Okay, click on spot, then hold on to the coin. Oh, I think that you will do that on your, you will do that from here. Add to favorite. Look at it here, add to favorite. I've seen the option. Okay, so if you want to add a coin to your favorite, you will come up here, touch, let's say I want to add BTC, touch BTC. When you touch BTC, you will see these 3 dots here. Okay, follow this ball, 3 dots, click on these 3 dots. You will see here, add to favorite. So I've added BTC to my favorite. Added to favorite, look at it up here. Good. So let's go and check. BTC, click on favorite here. You see BTC is now my favorite. Come back to spots. Perpetual means futures. Perpetual and futures, both of them are the same thing. Okay, and always make sure your option here is USDT. So I'm going to look for another coin, another good coin. Now, when you come to trading, click on this place, 24 hours change. It's going to arrange the coins based on the highest top this thing in terms of high gainers and losers. So I'm clicking on 24 hours. The coin with the highest 24 hours performance in terms of pump is this one, SCRT. Then in terms of dump, the one with the lowest performance is this one. That's losers. The one that went low, the lowest, is this one. And remember, it's always good to buy the dip. So let's buy the dip. Buy the ones that are, buy a coin that is dumping. For spot, you buy a coin that is dumping, so that when the price starts going up, it will take your money up. But there's what they call dollar cost averaging. So I'm going to be teaching you that dollar cost averaging right now. This is what you do. You click on solo. So solo is the lowest coin, but that doesn't mean you just go to any random coin and buy. Have a specific coin that you have made your research or have gotten good updates from some professionals or somebody who knows what he's doing to an extent to buy. Then you buy, or a coin you know has a good potential, like Ton and Dogecoin and Ethereum, BNB, Solana, you know, those coins that you know has a high potential of doing well, BTC. But don't buy them when they are in a high price. Look for when they are, wait for when there's a good dump, you buy. So this coin now, let's assume this is a good coin to buy. To check the charts, look at this 3 places. This thing is where you can go and click and check the chart. Another place you can go is here, chart. You click on chart. So this is the chart. You can use your 2 fingers, draw them closer and minimize to see the performance of the coin. You can see this coin has gone up despite the fact that it's on 37%, but it has actually gone up above its normal price. If it's on futures, it would have been a good coin to short still, despite this movement. So here you see 15 minutes. This F15M is 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. If you click on more, you see more time frame, different time frames that you can use to trade. So since I want to buy this coin, the price is low, 36%. There's a chance that it can still go higher than this 36%. So you click on buy here. I'm clicking on buy. I want to buy it now. This same pattern is what you can use to trade even in BitGet, OKS, Bybit, Mex Exchange, BingX, Binance. They are all the same environment, the same environment. The difference is not much, okay? So the same interface, everything remains the same. So you see my trading capital is $100. And limit means you want to set a particular price. When this coin gets to a particular price, I want to buy it. For spot, you buy when it's low. So you're going to be putting a lower price if you're using limit. When the coin drops to maybe 40%, I'll just calculate with my calculator 40% of this amount. I'll now click and buy, okay? Or I could just go for market, or I would say 2% of this amount currently, this 0.24882. I'll buy by that amount, okay? So let's click on limit. On limit, you're going to see market, take profit and stop loss, conditional, iceberg, and TWAP. I don't know most of them. The only one I know is limit and market. I have not really known what this take profit and stop loss and conditional and the rest down there means. But this is our main focus, limit and market. Let's click on market. Market means you want to buy at the current price. So you now select the amount of USDT you want to use and buy. Remember, our trading capital is now $100, not 50,000 or 100,000 we saw as demo trading capital. So I'm going to buy this coin. I'll start with $20. I would like to have different chances to trade this coin in case the price keeps dumping. I would be able to do what's called dollar cost averaging, so that I can buy more of the dip, more as the coin is going down. So I have $100. I'm going to divide it by 25, so I can buy 4 times if the coin goes down 4 times. I'll come here and put $25. On market price. I'll click buy. Boom. Order filled. You will see that my capital will reduce. Let's refresh. My capital is supposed to reduce at this point. Yes, you can see my capital has reduced. My USDT is now 75. Are you all seeing it? And I have 99 solo cost, which is now 24.7. So let's click on trade again, and you see that the capital is now 75 because I've spent 25 of that coin. Let me put limit order now. I want to say if this coin, I've seen the chart. Let me put it. You can see different time frame. This is 1 second, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. So let's put it on the longer time frame, which is 1 hour, and draw it closer with 2 fingers. Pinch them together. You will see the longer time frame. So it's now on limit. I'm going to put my finger on the screen for a while so that, okay. As I'm dragging just touch your finger on the screen once, this cross comes up. As you're dragging it up, observe limits here. Limit will be changing. Observe the limits here. Limit will be changing. Okay. So I noticed that this coin, let me use a longer time frame, 2 hours. I noticed that this coin, in some time, it has been down very much. There's this particular time frame where it has been down for a long time on. So I'm going to go to that time frame. Look at it here. So it has been down to this point, 0.9963, and now the price is 0.25. So that's a very serious dump that happened like that. Okay, so I could just say, let me go for the first buy, which is this particular range here, 0.18. I'm going to go for 0.18. It stayed there at some point. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks are touching that position. So I'm going to come here and put. Now looking at this place, you see I'm buying solo, but I can come here, instead of putting my amount up here, the right solo, that's the coin, I'll come to where there's the USDT and write 25. So I'm putting 25. Now I'm buying more at a lower price. 25 that I bought at the 0.25 gave me 99. But now that I'm buying 25 at 0.18, a lower price, is giving me 137. I'll click buy. Remember, I'm placing a limit order when it dumps. So now this particular trade has gone through. My capital will reduce. I'm going to show you. My capital will reduce and the order will be done. See order. Now, when you come back to assets, my $25, $75 is still there. the order I did in market has gone, but $75 is what is remaining here. When you click on trade, you will see that this position I placed is still here. Modify means I can change it, I can cancel it. Now when you come to my capital, you see my capital has reduced to 50, but this capital that is 50, they have locked $25 of my money in this trade, but it has not yet gone. If I click cancel now, that $25 will come back here because the trade has not yet been executed. The trade is now a programmed trade waiting to happen. Okay, why now? I can still use the remaining 25 and place another limit order for a lower market price. I'll go to a lower time frame, a higher time frame, and go down to this particular region where the coin has been for a long time and put another $25. Look at the $25, I'm buying 257 now that the price has gone very low. Look at the price I want to buy it at 0.09. Oh my god, 25. I want to buy at 0.09. Let me take it down again. Good. $25 at 0.01. $25. Let me write it here. $25. Okay, it's at 0.1. $25 is going to be buying 241. Okay, then I'll click buy. I'll place my order. This is a limit order, so another new limit order has been placed. Refresh the page and you see the two limit orders are showing on this green arrow here. The first green arrow, this green limit, the second limit. So whenever the price of this coin, look at the first limit, I'm buying order price. When the price drops to 0.1, I'll buy. When the price, the first order is this one, 0.18. When the price drops to this amount, I'll buy with 25. When the price drops to 0.103, I'll buy again. As you can see it. Now, that's the two orders. Now, when you come up here, you see that what I have left is going to be less than 50. Let me go to my asset. My asset is still showing me that I have what? I'm refreshing it. I have 75. But when it comes to trade, available capital is what? 25. Look at it here. Because I have invested 25 here, invested 25 here. And the other 25 was the one that is running currently. So that is it. This next 25, I'm not going to trade immediately with it. I'll go to futures and use it and practice and show you what you can do on futures. Now, let us sell. When you want to sell, I want to sell this $25. My $25 in solo has pumped and giving me 25.3. See? I want to sell it. I'll click on solo. And sorry this video is going to be long. If you can be patient enough to watch it, you are going to learn something. Alright, so this is it. I'm in 3 minutes ago. This video was, I bought this coin some few minutes ago. Now you can see the green. It's been going up and down. Observe it carefully. So I can decide to come and click sell and put it on 100%. Instead of using limit, I'll put market order 100%. I'm going to be getting 25.4. You see, I invested $25 within the time I was doing this video, and as this thing pumped, I'm getting 25.4, so I've made $0.4. Glory, glory, glory. Ayo wete man. So it's really that simple. Don't pump all your $100 on one coin. Buy it in bits. Now I can decide to say, oh, it's dumping, or it's going to, but still go up, sure. I can decide to say I am going to sell this coin at a particular higher amount. So there's a higher time frame here. I could decide to put it on limit, like let's say limit, and say I want to sell at this particular amount, or I will sell it in bits. Now I'm going to sell half of this coin in current market price. I'll put it on half. This is half, 50%. Okay, I'll click sell. Now when you come back, you see that the money has dropped. The money that will be in Sol is now 12.7. You see, 12.7 is what, instead of 12.5. The other half of the profit has gone with half of the capital, and half of the profit is here with half of the capital, because half of 25 is 12.5. Okay, so let's come back to the trade. The other half, I'm going to put it on full now because it's the whole money I want to now sell on limit. Click on market here, put it on limit, and then I'm going to come here and put this thing on one of the time frames that was high. Yeah, here. So when the price goes to this particular level, I want to sell everything. Now, selling everything, instead of getting 12.7, I'm going to be getting 19.9. So I'll click sell. Now on this sell, a new order has been placed. It's going to be the third order. Let me refresh and you see it. This will now be the third order. So this is my sell order. Whenever the price of this coin gets to that amount I programmed it's going to sell that remaining one and give me 19 point something. I've already made $0.2 just within this time I'm making this video. Just about in less than 19 minutes. While this solo is going to still buy more if it dumps and buy more if it dumps. I've taught you how to do dollar cost averaging. You have $100, don't trade the whole $100 at once. You can be trading it in 50-50, $20 or $25 or $30. Now let's get to derivative futures. When you come to here, spot, you click on futures up here. Now on futures, I'm going to be trading. Let me look for a coin that is very, very low on futures here. Put it on perpetual. That's the futures side. I want to short a coin. I'll short a coin and long a coin with this 25. So this coin is on 70%. Let me put it on short. This cross means you want to use all your capital to be at stake, which could actually be good money management if you're trading with a very little percentage, like 1, 2, or 3, at most 5% of your total capital. But if not, it's going to be very risky. You can lose all your money. Or you put it on isolated. Look at the isolated. You click confirm. It goes on isolated. So I'm going to just click on what? Order price, the amount I want to buy the coin. It's on limit, but I can put it on market. Let me just put it on market and buy immediately. Market, now I'm going to be buying at this current price in market. Then how many? Half of my coins what I want to buy. I'm not going to put it on cross. I'll use isolated so that only the amount I will put is what will be at risk. That is what it means. So I'm putting it on isolated, and this coin is on a high price. You can see it was on 79, it's on 68, which means it's going down. It's going down. So I would just decide to buy at sell, that is to short it, let it go down. Now I've not done proper analysis. I'm just showing you all how to do this spot trading. Spot trading and futures are not really the same, but futures has a high risk, so you have to be very careful. This is not a proper video on how to trade futures, but you can just take the risk and do the whole up and down thing and practice, but do it with this demo account so you can just gather knowledge. But don't try to drain money if you have not yet learned and gotten good signals on how to go about it. So I'll click on sell. But before then, I'm going to click on TP. This place that is written TPSP. So I'm clicking on TPSP. When you click on TPSP, I'll go and click short because I want short, not long. Short. My percentage take profit is going to be 10. At 10% take profit, I'll be making $1.8. That's 10%. Then I'll come down and confirm. I did not put stop loss, but I could decide to put stop loss. 10x means 10 times of whatever amount I'm investing is what will be used to trade for me. Now, what it will cost me from the 25, the $37 I have is $18. $18 of my money will be used. So let me complete the setting to put my stop loss. So if the coin goes against me by 15%, I should be losing $2.7. I want to do it that way. While if the coin goes to my direction by 12%, I'll be gaining $2.4. So confirm. You can just choose the stop loss and take profit you want. So it's all set. Look at stop loss, take profits. Prices are already set. And I'm using half of my money, half of this 37, which is 18.8, to short the market. Then I'll click short. Remember, I'm using market order. It's going to give me the full details of what I want to do. I'm using isolated, which is much safe, and I've placed my stop loss. Then I confirm. So my trade is already running. This is a trade that is running already. So once the price gets to my direction, it sells and gives me back my money. If it goes against me, it cuts at the stop loss position I placed, and then I'll lose a little part of my money and still be safe to trade with the balance. So that's it about spot trading. For those that want to, when you are done, you want to come back to live trading, you click on start live trading, and then it takes you out of that interface and brings you back to your normal account environment. So this is it. This is my normal account environment. Okay, I hope this video was helpful.